Get ready for a legal dictation. 5 seconds. Start. Mr. Sailen Singh Kamal, Learned Standing Counsel, does not dispute the fact that the impugned order dated 31/7/2021 has been passed without affording opportunity of hearing to the petitioner's staff para. Counsel for the parties agreed that the writ petition may be disposed of finally at this stage without calling for a counter affidavit, specifically in view of the order proposed to be passed today staff para. In order to appreciate the contentions advanced by learned counsel for the parties, it would be appropriate to refer to the relevant provisions of Section 5 (1) of the Payment of Salaries Act, 1971, which is reproduced below: para. Procedure for payment of salary in the case of certain institutions staff. The management of every institution shall, for the purpose of disbursement of salaries to its teachers and employees, open in a scheduled bank or a cooperative bank, a separate account to be opened jointly by a representative of the management and by the inspector or such other officer as may be authorized in that behalf, staff para. Provided that after the account is opened, the inspector may, if he is, subject to any rules made under this act, satisfied that it is expedient in the public interest so to do, instruct the bank that the account shall be operated by the representative as the management alone, and may at any time revoke such instruction, staff para. Provided further that in the case referred to in the provision to subsection (2), or where a difficulty arises in the disbursement of salaries due to any default of the management, the inspector may instruct the bank that the account shall be operated only by himself or by such other officer as may be authorized by him in that behalf, and may at any time revoke such instructions, staff para. As per the requirement of the above Section 5 (1) of the Act 1971, an order of single operation of the accounts could be passed by the DIOS where the difficulty has arisen in disbursement of salary of the staff of the institution due to any default of the management, staff para. From bare reading of the impugned order dated 31/7/2021, it is apparently clear that the petitioners have not been afforded any opportunity of hearing before passing the impugned order, as there is no whisper in order, as to on which date the petitioners have been called upon to set up his case with regard to any complaint made against him, staff. Perusal of the impugned order dated 31/7/2021 goes to show that the DIOS has not mentioned that the petitioner's Committee of Management has defaulted in making payment to the staff (teaching or non-teaching), and there is no complaint to that effect also, staff para. So far as the second submission made by the learned counsel for the petitioners is concerned, this court may record that it is settled proposition of law that even in administrative matters, the reasons should be recorded, as it is incumbent upon the authorities to pass a speaking and reasoned order, staff. In Kumari Srilekha Vidyarthi and others versus State of UP and others, AIR 1991 SC 537, the apex court has observed as under, staff.